Good morning, this is Larry Holdren at Larry Holdren Real Estate here in Ocean City, Maryland. I thought I would come up on the beach and show you a view of the Ocean City beach today. Not too bad a temperature today. A couple people walking on the beach today. Let me take you a 360. Couple people walking their dog. They walk down here, see how the surf is. Not too windy today. Looks like it's low tide. Nice to come up here and walk on the beach. Beach is a half a block from my office, and a couple sandpipers running back and forth. Yeah, it's not too bad up here today. It is a nice day today. Have a nice morning, and I'll be in touch with you soon.